Hey everyone, Mr. Sujano here. In today's video, we're going to do an unboxing and first impressions on the Evo edition of the Qanba drone. Let's get started. Now, Qanba is known throughout the fighting game community and throughout the gaming community as a company that produces quality joysticks or arcade sticks or fight sticks, really whatever you want to call them. They range all the way up from the very high-priced Qanba Dragon all the way down to the Qanba Carbon. Each arcade stick that they produce offers something different to the gamer. The Qanba drone is one of the least expensive and smallest fight sticks that they produce. Now, there are differences between the Qanba drone, the regular one, and the Evo version of the drone. The most notable difference between the two sticks is appearance. The stock drone has the black and yellow honeycomb appearance here, and the Evo drone has the Evo logo right on the stick. In addition to looking different, the Evo drone also has upgraded parts. So the Evo drone is fully fitted with Sanwa push buttons and a Sanwa JLF lever, which are arguably considerably higher quality than the stock Qanba parts that are used in the regular drone. So here's how the joystick arrived at my house today. Just something to note. It says exactly what it is on the outside of this box. So fortunately, this was shipped through UPS and required a signature. However, if you do get this stick from somewhere and a signature is not required and they just leave it outside your house, anybody walking by will be able to see what is inside the box because it's listed on the box. Opening this up, you can see the nice blue packaging of the arcade stick on the inside, hopefully undamaged. Not only is the stick custom, the packaging is custom as well. I quite like that. You can see it's the Evo Drone arcade stick designed for PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 3, which is kind of nice because the cheaper stick, the Carbon, does not have PlayStation 4 compatibility. Something to note as well, it's also compatible with PC. So if it's in PS3 mode, it should connect to your PC without issue. Something to note as well, the Sanwa buttons and the Sanwa stick are listed right on the box, as well as the Qanba metal ball top. And I'm wondering now if this might be the very same ball top that is on the Qanba Dragon and on the Qanba Obsidian. Opening the box is pretty simple and straightforward. There's just one little tab here and the entire box folds open. I quite like this, especially for those people who do like to keep their box around. This is a nice easy way without damaging the box. The manual is pretty basic. There's not a lot going on here, but there is some handy information regarding the top panel with the tournament switches as well as the PS4 and PS3 mode. There's foam on either side of the fight stick just for safe packaging and foam over the ball top. It's also wrapped in this bag here that isn't really sealed, so it's pretty easy to take off. Now, lifting this up, it is incredibly light. They say it's 3 pounds, and I believe them. This is less than half of the weight of their Qanba Obsidian, and it's nice. On the back though, I am noticing the stock Qanba drone logo here, so I don't see too much of a difference other than the sticker on the back that says it's an Evo drone. So I'm wondering if this back panel is just a standard drone. Those are rubber grips on the side, which are really nice. And there's no slip coating in the center at all. So it's just the two edges that do have the grip. The cable tucks away nicely in the front of it, which is one of the good features that I really like about this stick. The top is fairly glossy. I'm trying to leave some fingerprints and they're not really showing up, which is a really good sign. The Qanba Obsidian is a fingerprint magnet. This one does not seem so far. The buttons and stick feel like legitimate Sanwa buttons and a legitimate Sanwa stick. And actually the stick feels the exact same and the buttons feel the exact same as the Qanba Obsidian and the Qanba Dragon. I am noticing that this artwork on the stick is a vinyl, so it's not painted on. It is one more or less vinyl sticker on it, which probably is the reason why it's not a huge fingerprint magnet. In terms of size, you can see the stick is really small. Both my palms can fit on the stick. When spread out, they cover pretty much the entire stick. So It's not a big stick by any stretch of the imagination, which is exactly why I bought it. I wanted a stick that I could take with me to travel to Evo with, that I could throw in my carry-on, not worry about, and that was light and easy to transport. So far, the stick feels great, and I can't wait to use it. So that's all I've got for today. I will be doing a review in the near future. If you are already interested in picking up a drone, it is on sale on Eightarc's website for 40 bucks off, and it's also on sale from the actual Qanba website for 20 bucks off. There are also coupon codes floating around that work on both sites for even more discounts. Anyways, that's all I've got for today. If you liked the video, leave a like. If you didn't like the video, leave a like. Hit that subscribe button. Check out my other videos. Thank you, everyone. Take care.